Hi there, I'm going to explain how to do the multiplication practice assignment 1. And to do that, it's not too tricky. We're just going to do a few problems like this, and then the problems on the assignment are just like that. So I'm going to start over here with the A. It says write the additions as multiplications or vice versa. Vice versa means the opposite. Then we have to solve it. So for example, in A, I see I have the number 2, and I see 2 is repeated. So one of the numbers I'm going to write is 2. And then how many times do I have 2? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 times. So the main idea is multiplication is like addition. So it's like adding. We could add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Or we could write it 2 times 4. 2 times 4, what is that? Well, maybe you have it memorized, or maybe you could figure it out by adding. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 is 8. That's how we get the answer, 8. Now let's look what happens when we have the number 20 instead of 2. We have the number 20. Okay, again we have it 4 times. So I write 4 here. Now my problem is 20 times 4. Well, let's figure it out by adding. 20 plus 20 is 40, plus 20 is 60, plus 20 is 80. Do you notice how this answer was 8 with a 2, but with a 20 it's 80? That's a pattern that's important to be able to recognize. Okay, over here for B, I'll change my color. We have the number 80. We have the number 80. How many times do we have 80? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Now, how could we figure this out? Well, we can always add it. 80 plus 80 is 160. Then 160 plus 80. Maybe I need to do some adding over here. 160 plus 80. Okay, 0. 6 plus 8 is 14. And 240. Another way you could add, if it's hard for you to add like this, is it's okay to add on your calculator. Here we have the number 8. 8 goes here. How many times do I have it? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. 3 times here. Again, let's add. We have 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 8, this 8. 16 plus 8 is 24. Now, I knew that, but if you need to put that in your calculator, that's just fine. All right, now I got to erase it to make some more room. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, very good. Let's go use my black now. Now we have to figure out if we have multiplication, how could we write it as adding? Well, one of the numbers is 4. I need to add it 5 times. So I'm going to add 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, I have it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Very good. Now I could figure this out by adding. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 4 is 16. 16 plus 4 is 20. The answer is 20. Let me erase to make a little room for myself. I just love my little eraser. Okay, now we have the same problem, but we have 4 times 50. So it's the same idea. I have 4. I can write 4 50 times, or I could write 50 4 times. Hey, guess what? I'm going to save myself some energy. I'm going to write 50 4 times. So I have 50 plus 50 plus 50 plus 50. Okay, 50 plus 50 is 100. This 50 plus 50 is 100. 100 plus 100 is 200. See how I'm doing that? We're ready for the last one. The last one here is, we have 2 times 12. So I could write 2 12 times, or I could write 12 2 times. going to save some energy. I'm going to write 12 two times. 12 plus 12. 12 plus 12, what is that? Let me write it like this. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1 plus 1 is 2. It's 24. Now look down here. 120. 120 plus 120. Why did I write it 2 times? Because it says 2 times. 120 plus 120 is 240. That is the main idea. Give it a try with the practice, and if you get stuck, I can help you.